In this video, I'll be showing you how to buy Robux on Roblox. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, getting into it, it's actually super simple to go ahead and do this, and you can do it on anything that you're using Roblox on, whether you're on an iPhone, Android, Samsung, or anything like that, or if you're on a PC or desktop as well. So all you want to do firstly is open up your Roblox application, but you can also do this in the browser version if that's what you're using. Now, once you're here, all you got to do is you're going to see every little different thing. On the top right, you're going to see that Roblox or Robux icon. Go ahead and click on it. It's going to show your current Robux. As you can see, I have 72. It's going to show any limited items that they have, like limited edition. But then when you scroll down, you're going to see Robux packages right here. And as you can see, it says by purchasing Robux, you agree to terms of use, including the arbitration clause and revocation policy. So it shows all the different packages, and you can buy as little as you want, like 40, or as many as you want, like 4,500 in one go. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe, and check out all the other tutorials that we've been posting on the channel as well.